Today we're going to show you how to execute dumbbell supine concentration curls. So when you're doing your concentration curls, you want to protect your lower back by hinging at your hip and squeezing your core nice and tight. Make sure that you get your elbow out in front of you and really show your bicep. At the top of the movement, you're going to want to twist your pinky just slightly out. As you can see, it really engages into the bicep. So I like using an incline bench to rest my other hand. I just find I can adjust it to whatever height I feel most comfortable. I believe this one is at something like 30 degrees. I just find it really comfortable for my hips. Alright guys, so that was concentration bent over supine barbell curls. This is great because it really allows you to get that negative and the extension so that the bicep is fully lengthened through each repetition. What you want to make sure of is that your core is tight and that you're not leaning over all the way, but just enough so that you can really get your elbow out in front of you so it's not being interfered by your rib cage. I like using a bench, as you saw in the video, just to rest my other arm on. Hit like down below if you like the video. Hit subscribe up here, that way you get notified when more videos get posted up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.